Today's lesson is lesson 108 on schedules. So a schedule can help you solve elapsed time problems, and a schedule is a list of times and events that shows when events are planned to happen. So in this case, the schedule of events for the state track meet is shown in the program. Daphne qualified to run both the 300-meter low hurdles and the 200-meter dash. Her second race starts how many minutes after the start of her first race? So we're first going to look, the 300-meter low hurdle starts at 3:10. Okay? And then the 200-meter dash starts at 3:40. To find the elapsed time, what I can do is I can count how many minutes there are between the two times. So to get to 300, from 310 to 340, I have to count up by tens, 320, 330, and 340. So that's 10, 20, 30. So there are 30 minutes in between these two times. I could have also done the later time, 340, minus the earlier time, 310. And 40 minus 10 equals 30, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So that would still be 30 minutes. Now, one type of schedule is called a travel itinerary. An itinerary lists the starting locations and destinations, along with planned departure and arrival times. So David planned a round-trip flight from Oklahoma City to Indianapolis and back to Oklahoma City. Here is his flight itinerary. So he needs to change planes on his way to Indianapolis and is on his way back to Oklahoma City. In which cities does he change planes? How much time does David have in his schedule to make those plane changes? So, David's trip to Indianapolis has two legs. One from Oklahoma City to Chicago, and this with the scheduled arrival of 8:09. And then from Chicago to Indianapolis, with a departure time of 9:43 a.m. So he stops in Chicago, and he has from 8:09 to 9:43 to get on his next plane. The difference between 9:43 and 8:09, so I can subtract this. Okay. So 43 minus 9 is 34, and 9 minus 8 is 1. So he has a total of 1 hour and 45 minutes between his flights. Okay, so that's 1 hour and 34 minutes. On his way back, he leaves Indianapolis at 9:58 and lands in St. Louis at 11:03. Then he has to leave St. Louis at 12:04 to get to Oklahoma City. So, how much time does he have to switch planes in St. Louis? Well, he has to be on his new plane at 12:04, and he gets off his other plane at 11:03. If I subtract these amounts, 4 minus 3 is 1, 0, and 1. So he has a total of 1 hour and 1 minute to switch to his different planes. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.